Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you these two recipes, very easy to do. As you can see, it looks really nice, very elegant, and it's gonna bright up any table for any party or anything like that. Continue with the purple. I'm actually getting all of that ready for my daughter's birthday, so I'm doing every day something, so just make it easier for me. So yeah, so I'm going with the same theme, purple. So hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So first things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this mold. I have here white chocolate that I melted, and I put a little bit of purple, and you can put any color that you're using. So I'm putting a little bit of the white chocolate in the molds. Just turn them around so the chocolate can go on all the sides and everything. So make sure it covers the sides, and just remove the excess chocolate after you're done. Just remove the excess and pop it in the freezer for a few minutes until it hardens. So there we go. I'm gonna put another layer of the chocolate just with a brush. Make sure that you cover all the sides, especially the sides, so when you remove it, it doesn't break. And pop it again in the freezer. So I'm using the cookies and I'm using the jammies. You can use Oreos, you can use any cookie, any biscuit you actually like. So I'm using two different kinds of biscuits. Sorry, there's police coming through the neighborhood. And then sorry about that. So and then you cover it with the rest of the chocolate. You cover it. Make sure you cover all of it. Level it up and then pop it back on the freezer. So it's very hot at the moment in London, so when I take it out of the freezer it just gets warm so quickly, so I have to be like quick when I'm dealing with the chocolate. So after it hardens, as you can see, it comes out really quickly. Just pop it on the grease paper and get it ready for the next stage. So I'm gonna use the glitter. There we go. I have two colors here, so one is light and one is a little bit dark. I have this glitter spray, so I'm just gonna give them a little bit of glittery, and I love glitter, so that's why I'm putting glitter everywhere I'm doing at the moment. Nothing better than glitter. As you can see, it's so shimmery and it looks like it gives that extra sparkle, which makes it look so pretty. Again, depending on the colors you're using, so you know, you do the matching glitter. You don't have to do the glitter, but it just gives it that je ne sais quoi. You can see the glitter without the glitter is a big difference. So next I'm gonna put, I melted a little bit of white chocolate and I put it on the piping bag. Just gonna little bit of stripes on the side. You can put all of it, but I'm just covering a little bit on the sides, and then I'm using the same sparkles I use, sprinkles that I used before, the purple ones, just to put a little bit on top of the chocolate while still not still runny, so it sticks to the chocolates, as you can see. It just gets sticky so quickly because the chocolate is like already soft. So the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use those fondant flowers that I made in my other video. I will leave you the link if you didn't watch it yet. and I'm gonna stick it with a little bit of glucose, and I'm gonna put them on those golden paper or whatever it's called. So I'm gonna just look a little bit of glucose in the middle, and I'm gonna put the flowers on the middle, or you can use different things really. You can use different sizes of sprinkles as well. So just be creative and use whatever you have, and continuing with this theme. So the next one I'm doing, I have here a little bit of white chocolate, and I'm using those wafer rolls. It has vanilla inside and the same sprinkles I used before. So what I do, I just dip the little bit of it on the chocolate. Actually, the first few I made, I put a lot of chocolate on them, and when I put the sprinkles, it took a long time to dry off and stuff. So what I did after that, I just removed the chocolate, the excess of the chocolate, with the spoon before putting them down. So it's much easier like that, and it dries quickly, and also you don't waste a lot of chocolate as well, because that one is already had the vanilla cream inside it. So you just need a little bit of chocolate so that you can stick the sprinkles on. So as you can see here, I'm not gonna put like before a lot of chocolate, so I'm just gonna remove with the spoon, just leave a little bit of chocolate, so that's the sprinkles can stick to it, and that's all you need. You don't need a lot of chocolate. And that's it. Just again use the sprinkles or whatever that's matching colors that you're gonna be going for. And again, I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter on top of it just to give it a little bit of shine. I'm gonna put them on the cups, so if you have any glass cup or something like that, because then they're gonna stay. So someone like you can put them on the table afterward, and just people can help themselves. So there you have it, 2 easy recipes you can do like really quickly, and they look really good. So I hope you you like this video, and hopefully you will see you soon, very soon, with the cake and stuff like that, hopefully. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you very much.